Hi everyone, I'm Gitali and today I'll be reviewing Ultrasona, a cleaning tool that uses ultrasonic waves to clean your products like never before. You heard that right, it uses sound waves to clean your product. So it basically pulses 50,000 sound waves per second through water, which creates microscopic shock waves that eliminates 99.9% of dirt, bacteria and stains. Ultrasona can clean almost everything from clothes, jewelry, tools, toys, fruits, anything, basically anything that you can put in water. And you'll be seeing that in real in a few minutes when I'll be testing the product myself, because let's say I'm pretty excited about it. So this is how the product looks, but before I start talking about its appearance and start testing it, which I'm really excited about, I want to say that I was lucky enough to receive this product to make this review video, but it's still in the pre-order phase, so it's not available to the public yet. But if you make a pre-order on their Kickstarter page, you can receive the same product at 50% off the general retail price, and you'll receive it before anyone else, so hurry up. Okay, so let's start. About the physical appearance, this is the part that goes in the water and creates the waves. This is the main plug, which is very simple to use. So it has 4 modes. The lowest one is for fruits, followed by the jewelry one, then silverware, and then clothes, which is the most powerful one. Okay, so that's it. All you do is plug the product, choose the mode and start the machine. That's it, and then you just wait and watch. Another great thing, this product is eco-conscious as well. It uses 40 times less water and 15 times less energy than a regular washing machine, which I personally feel is amazing because we all know how important it is right now to take care of our environment and its resources. And that's it. So without any further ado, let's start the testing. I have taken out a lot of products, from clothes with stains to jewelry to glasses to toothbrushes and even Tupperware items. So everything's involved. So let's start.
The science behind this cleaning technique is known as ultrasonic cavitation, and one of the easiest ways to check if this is a true ultrasonic cleaner is to do the aluminum foil test. If it destroys the foil and is able to create holes in it, then it is a real ultrasonic cleaner. If it doesn't, then it's a fake vibrating machine. Okay, it has actually pretty quickly created holes, which is amazing. So I'm going to stop the cleaner because there's no point using it further. It has already destroyed the foil quite a lot. You can see all those, small pieces in the water and the holes. Now I'm going to stain a piece of cloth with some ketchup, and I'm going to rub it in so it's all inside the cloth. Then I'm going to stain it with some soy sauce. The cleaner has 4 modes as mentioned before, and I'll be using the clothes one now, which is the most powerful one. Also, I won't be using any detergent now because I want to see if it can actually work without the detergent as well, because it's pretty strong and powerful. So we'll get to see that. Okay, I must say I'm pretty impressed. It has actually removed almost all the ketchup and soy sauce stains without a detergent, which is amazing. Okay, I'll rub the cloth in the water and it's pretty much almost clean. Actually, not pretty much, it's completely fully clean. For my second product, I wanted to use a comb because it's pretty hard to clean a fine-toothed comb without a washing machine. So I wanted to see if this cleaner can actually clean that. And I must say it did. It pretty much cleaned the whole comb and removed the yellowness as well. Now moving on to my third product, I wanted to test some jewelries and see if it can clean the jewelries and remove the rust on them. I'm actually surprised right now because I thought the black color on these bracelets were the original color, but I guess I was wrong because they're shining right now. For the next test, I wanted to use the basin because I feel it's easier and more appropriate. I'm going to use my glasses with dust on it and my toothbrush, which has toothpaste stuck in it. Okay, I'm going to use the jewelry mode now because I don't feel these 2 products need a lot of powerful cleaning. So I feel jewelry one should be fine. We'll see that. Okay, wow, my glasses are actually very clean. They're shining right now. And for the brush, it's 95% clean. The toothpaste is almost gone, which is amazing because it's been years. For my next category, I wanted to clean Tupperware lids because let's be honest, we all have these at homes and we want them super clean. I will add a little bit of detergent because these lids have a lot of dust on them. And I hope it's all clean by the end. Okay, oh my god, I can see all those white, whatever that's called, in the water. I'm going to wash them with clean water because there was detergent in the basin. But oh my god, my lids are actually very, very clean. There's no dust, like no dust on them. So that's amazing.
I can't wait to use this cleaner to clean other products in my house because it really seems to work. And let me be honest, I'm pretty excited to see what else it can do. You should try it as well. So go on their Kickstarter page, which is below the video, and pre-order yourself an ultrasonic cleaner at 50% off the retail price. Okay guys, that's it. So thank you so much for watching this review video. I'm gonna go find more products to clean as said before, but I'll see you guys next time.